yes, there was domination, obviously, from Rafe on clay or Rodžera on grass. Me on hard court, you know, would win, whatever, 3-4 years in a row, Indian Wells, Miami back-to-back. But that also came, for me personally, that level of, I guess, dominant tennis and achievements when I was 23-4 years old, and then after that. So between, let's say, 23 and 33 was when it was really happening. And Alkaras is still not 23. So we have to remember that his age and what he has done for his age is not also normal. And I'm sure that we'll see a lot of him on the big stage with trophies in the future, whatever, 10 years, 15 years, as long as he's playing. I mean, the competition is always there. You know, I think every generation has its different competition. You know, it's hard to compare eras. The last 20 years was dominated mostly by the four of us. And, you know, obviously when the three of my biggest rivals retired, then, you know, you can feel there's a shift, not only in terms of the generations of players that are come now, all of a sudden, you know, the main focus and attention is on them, but it's just, you know, I guess it takes a little bit of time for people to accept the fact that Rodžera and Rafe are not playing, and Murray, and I guess one day myself, but I'm still trying to stay there and represent the older guys, the older generation. Creo que él ha llegado ya a nivel tenístico, obviamente con resultados, creo, en esta edad, ella se puede decir, ha sido más que todos nosotros con esta edad. Pero tiene la carrera, tiene mucho tiempo, tiene todo que es necesario para llegar a la historia, no más, hacer más alta historia de nuestro deporte. Sí, no es una noticia muy buena para el torneo, porque Karlos es siempre, en los últimos 2-3 años, la estrella número 1 aquí, con obviamente todo el público español que